Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Moondrop from Five Nights at Freddy's. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start off by drawing a circle for the shape of the face. Next, on the left side, draw another circle for the cheek. Now erase the face line inside. And now draw another circle inside this one. Now let's add a curve on the right side for the other cheek. Next, let's draw the eyes. Start with the curve next to the left cheek. And then one more inside. Next, let's draw the right eye in the same way. Next, above the left eye, draw a curve for the eyebrow. And then at the end, draw another smaller curve. Next, above the right eye, draw two angled lines. And then a line down here. Now we're going to draw the nose by curving it underneath the right eye. Now at the end, we're going to draw a swirl shape. Next, on the top of the nose, draw two dots. Next, under the center of the nose, curve it down and over to the right. Let's draw the mouth next. Start with the curve between the left cheek and the nose in the center here. And then one more curve below it. Now draw two curves at the bottom for the bottom lip. Now let's add the teeth. Draw a curve in the center. And then draw vertical lines across. And lastly, for the face, draw three black circles on the chin. Let's draw the hat next. Draw a curve across the top of the head. And then lines up on either end. And one more curve across the top. Now erase the headline inside this shape. Now from the top left, draw a curve up. And then from the right, draw a larger curve up to the left and then curve it back down. And then bring it back into the hat. And then at the end, add a circle. Next, let's add some details to the hat. In the rectangle shape, draw a line across. And then add some small stars. Now that we're done the head, let's start drawing the body. Underneath the head, draw a small curve. Now we're going to draw the collar. Start with two diagonal lines. and then a wavy line on either side. And then one more angle back up at the end. Next, where the points are, draw diagonal lines on either side. And then draw a border at the bottom. Next, step in from the collar and draw 2 curves down. And then a curve across the bottom. Now inside the body, draw a circle for the button. And then draw 4 smaller circles inside. And now draw a curve on the right side. Next, for the stomach, step in and draw 2 lines down. And then a curve at the bottom. Now at the bottom, draw another curve. And then a line inside. Now inside, underneath the curve that we drew earlier, draw a line down. Let's draw the arms next, starting with the left side. On the left, draw a rounded rectangle outwards. And then another one of these shapes but angled down. Let's draw the hand next. Let's start with the thumb. And now 2 angled lines out to the left. Now at the end, let's draw the 4 fingers. Now at the end of each finger, draw a curve. Next, let's add the ribbon with the bell on the wrist. Start with the curved line here on the wrist. And now a circle shape underneath for the bell. Next, inside, draw a small circle. And then a line down. Now let's draw 2 ends of the ribbon hanging down like this. Let's draw the right arm now. Draw a rounded rectangle angled downwards on the right. And then one more shape outwards. Now at the end, let's draw the hand in the similar way as the other side. And next, let's add the ribbon and the bell on the wrist again. Let's draw the lower half of the body now. Let's start by adding some ruffles underneath the waist. Draw 2 angled lines down from the center. And then another shorter angle next to it. And now connect them with diagonal lines. Now let's add another set of diagonals out from the waist. And now connect it to the other side with a V this time. And then underneath, draw a small angle. Now let's do the same thing and do one more section out. Now at the bottom of each of these sections, let's draw 2 lines for a border. Okay, let's draw the legs next. From the center, draw 2 curves down like this. And now draw the outside of the legs with a large bent curve. And now draw the inside of the legs by stepping in and drawing a curve down. And now close out the bottom of the pants with curves. Next, at the bottom of each pant leg, draw a curved rectangle. And then draw another curve inside each one. Next, at the bottom of each leg, we're going to draw a ruffle. Let's start with the left side. Draw 2 diagonal lines down. And then a V shape at the bottom. Now on either side, draw 2 more diagonal lines. And now connect it to the center one with the V. Now underneath, draw a small angle. Now let's draw another set of these on the outside. And now on the top, we're just going to draw one more angle and then a diagonal line back down. Now inside each of these sections, let's draw 2 stripes. Now let's do the same thing on the right leg. Next, at the bottom, draw 2 angled lines in underneath each leg. Let's draw the shoes next, starting with the left side. Draw an angled curve at the bottom. And then on the inside, draw a curve down. Now let's move to the left now and draw a curve. And now angle it up and out. Back up again, and one more line back in. Now let's follow those same curves to the outside. And then one more curve at the bottom. Now at the tip of the shoe, let's draw a bell. And then inside the shoe, let's draw a moon. Now do the same thing for the right shoe. Lastly, let's add a star pattern to the pants, and don't worry, it doesn't need to be perfect. And that's it for Moondrop. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!